Hi, Joanna. I'm just going to try and maybe show a little video here to help you through how to complete this spreadsheet. So I don't have an electronic copy of the book, but I do have a camera that I can use to show the information on the pages. So if you have the electronic copy of the textbook, this is the first page of this chapter that we're talking about. So it should look similar in yours as well. But so it's the Microsoft Excel section. So I think this could be partially what's causing you some trouble. You need to go to Excel. So if you have Excel on your computer, you're going to be looking for this down here in the bottom, a green square with a green X. So that would open Excel. But if you don't have it on your computer, that's fine. You get access to it for free through Herzing. So you would just log into wherever it is that you do your email. You would need to log into to the actual Office email system, and then if you click on this, the what is it, 9 dots up in the corner, and click Excel, it'll open Excel for you. So either way, if you have Microsoft Office on your computer, you can use it on your computer, or you can open it here. So let's just open a new blank workbook. This is the system that you need to do this assignment. It doesn't go in Word. It goes into this into Excel, which is a specific system that we're learning about. So what you would want to do, so this is Excel, this is a spreadsheet. And so let's go back over and look at the book quick. So you're going to be working through this chapter, and like I'd said, I've got a lot of things on my desk here. Like I'd said the other day, your final project is going to look a little like this spreadsheet down here at the bottom, this thing, and then also this pie chart up here. So that's going to be part of it as well. And you just simply work through the instructions in the book. So the first area where it talks about having to do something and is right here. It's in my book, it's on page EX4 where it says roadmap. And so this is what you're going to be doing in this chapter. You're going to enter text in a blank worksheet. You're going to calculate sums, save the workbook, etc. So then I'm just going to go over to this next page. So it's the remainder of that page. I go to the next page, and it says to run Excel and create a blank workbook, you're going to do these activities. Now, if you've already opened Excel, like I just did, then you won't need to do that. But then you come over here, and it starts to talk about entering text into the cells and how we do that. And so then obviously you have the activities. The activities tend to be more in blue. So now is where it talks about how you would enter that information. So let's flip back over here to the spreadsheet. So up at the top there it says tap or click cell A1 to make A1 the active cell. So it's all of the cells will have a letter and a number associated. So like this one is A1. This one would be D1 because it's in column D and row 1. So go in A1, and it says to add personal budget, oops, you gotta spell properly, worksheet. So I would do that and just click enter, and it shows obviously up there in that screen. And then obviously we just would keep working along. As you work along, there's step 3. Let me flip back to my camera. We've got step 3, which is, we already did that, I guess. Then step 4, click on box A2, which is where it already is, and type monthly estimates. And then tap or click on the box. Oops. And that finalizes that entry. So you're just simply working through following all of the directions through the book. Like, for example, I'm currently on, let's make this big so you can see more of the, I'm currently on activity 4 on page EX8. Then I'll move over to the next page. You'll start to see we learn about autocorrect, it talks about column titles, and then there's always this information over here, and it tells you exactly step by step what to do And you'll follow that through, like I said before. And actually, here we can see how you're starting to add the income, expense titles, etc. It tells you exactly where to put them, enter them into the spreadsheet, and then ultimately, when you're done, there's about 50 pages of that. Ultimately, when you're done, following their directions, that's what your spreadsheet will look like. So what you see here on this page is what this ultimately will look like when you're done. And then you also have the pie chart to create, and you can, it'll show you exactly how to do that, but that's when you go up here and you create a pie chart. So again, you can use Excel either from, if you log into your Herzing email through Outlook, which you would be able to do that if you go to your, no, I'm not sure if it's exactly the same for you guys, but if you go to your Herzing portal, mine probably looks a little bit different because obviously I have a faculty and staff portal, but you have the same thing. You could go to the Herzing portal and just click access your Herzing University email, and it would take you to this area where I was before. Let's go to email. This is where I was originally. So if you were to go into here, sorry, it's loading here. Go into here and again click on those up here in the corner. There's nine dots. I don't know why it's being so slow today. Perhaps because I just have too many things open here. There. So if you click on the 9 dots, it will come up and you can just click Excel, or you can look in your programs under Microsoft or something of that nature. I'm not sure if you have, this is an Apple Macintosh, so it will look a little different than yours, but you may be able to click over here to your Windows bar and it would bring up perhaps a list of your programs, and you want to choose Excel. Microsoft Excel is what we're looking for, and that's where you would complete this. So hopefully that helps a little bit. If you don't want to complete the assignment, that's fine. My concern is that you do need to do another Excel spreadsheet for your final project. So I want you to have some practice at using it, because it's going to be required. I think it's 50 or 100 points of your final project. So you're going to need to be able to do that. So hopefully this will help and help to clear it up for you a little bit. Okay, thanks.